Okay guys, I'm trying to show you do a hazard system using the relay that I have without altering your original turn signal system of your bike. There are two relays I'm going to use. The blinker relays and then the double contact relay. That's the relays I'm going to use to do the hazard system without altering your original bike turn signal system. The original bike turn signal relay is right here. This is the original turn signal relay. I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to use this sprinkler relay instead. And then I'm going to show you the setup now. So you're going to connect power directly from the battery, the positive, and then the negative. So you connect the power from the battery, and then of course you got to use the 9 fields and get power to the relay here, the blinker relay and the double contact relay. So you see this red wire coming in, the two wire joins together, get power, one to the double contact relay and one to the blinker relay. Then you get the black wire, the ground wire from the double contact relay, and then the ground wire from the blinker relay join together, and then connect to the switch. That's what I'm going to do, because I'm going to use the negative side to control the hazard system. So one side connect to here, one side of the switch, and the other side of the switch connect to the ground that I just came out from the battery. So, and what is left in here, I actually pre-connect some of the wires. The L wire, L pin on the blinker relay here. Try to focus. The L pins on the blinker relay will connect to the top pin here, the vertical one. Top pin, yellow relay. I'm going to label them so and join them together here. They all label number 1, so when you got the relay, you can join them together. And then label number 2, which is the power for both relay. So you join them together and get the power. And then the ground wire, alright, I'm going to label them number 3 for both, relay. And then they join to the ground, the negative. So that only leave 2 wires at the bottom here. This wire and this wire. This green and this yellow. So you're supposed to connect these two to your turn signal light, either front or back. One is for the left, one is for the right. Doesn't matter which one is which one. You can connect this one to left, this one to right. So all this is all connected. This one I connect the left and right from the front. Usually I find the switch of the turn signal, the connector of the turn signal, join the two together in front, try to focus in, get this blue, see that blue connector there. So I insert wire to the left and right turn signal, which is the connector to the original the turn signal of the light, connect the wire and then come back out here. Become these 2 wire, it's 2 thin wire. So left and right, connect left, and then the right turn signal light, the ground, black wire, join together for 2 relay, goes to the switch, one side of the switch, and then the other side of the switch go to the negative, the ground. You can actually get any negative nearby. Doesn't necessarily need to go to the battery negative. So, and then the positive of 2 relay, which label number 2 here, Yeah, number 2. Join these two together, get the power. This one has to be directly from the battery terminal though. Otherwise, if you get it from any of the positive wire, then when you turn off the switch, there's no power going to the hazard system. So when you leave the bike in emergency, try to get the key off, and then all the hazard light will turn off. So this one, you know, make sure that you got power even with the key off. So during emergency, you can turn the hazard light on without the key insert into the keyhole. So this is how it works. And the switch, you can mount it on the handlebar, and you got to turn it on. Now all 4 lights are flashing. Okay, that is using the hazard system that I made for this scooter. And let me turn it off first. Actually, there's a hazard switch on my bike, but you can turn the hazard light on this bike on without the key turn on. Otherwise, see, you have to turn the key on. You got power to the everything. Then you can turn the hazard light on. See, but without turning the switch, you turn the switch off, take the key out, no hazard light. And using my switch, my system set up, you can get the hazard light running without a key. So for those who doesn't have a hazard light system on your bike, you can actually do it like mine, with a hazard light system on your bike. For those who already has one, but it is working the same. Like you have to have the key in the ignition to have the hazard working, and you want to work without a key, and maybe you can use my system too. Anyway, thank you for watching.